In this video, we will tell you the 7 tried and tested steps that will make you a millionaire. Many people think that millionaires are the people who are very mindful and they work all the time. But this thought is totally wrong. They are the people who worked in a step-by-step manner, and that's why they got rich. Watch this video till the end to know all the steps that you need to follow to become a millionaire. Now let's start. 1. Increase your earnings. Starting a side hustle is a great way to boost your income. Starting a side hustle or launching your own company can provide an additional source of income and help you develop important skills. Starting a business requires a substantial amount of effort initially, but the rewards can be substantial. Creating multiple income streams, such as starting an online business or driving for a rideshare app, can greatly accelerate your path to achieving financial success. Seek out sources of passive income that generate consistent earnings with minimal ongoing effort. One might need to consider leaving their current job after establishing profitable side projects in order to achieve millionaire status. Ensure you are maximizing your earnings for the tasks and order you are currently doing. Check your salary on Glassdoor. If your current pay is not competitive, consider negotiating for an increase in salary or exploring other job opportunities with higher pay. Boosting your earnings is a key strategy for growing your wealth, enabling you to increase your contributions to investments each month and speed up your path to reaching a $1 million milestone. 2. Steer clear of accumulating bad debt. All debt can be categorized as either beneficial or detrimental. The average millionaire excels at steering clear of detrimental debt and leveraging beneficial debt. Real estate can be considered a valuable investment as it enables individuals to acquire their own property or investment assets, thereby increasing their overall financial worth. Student loan debt has the potential to be beneficial as it can support career growth and increase income. However, loans with high interest rates may have a detrimental impact on your financial situation. Even debt from credit cards can have a positive impact if you consistently pay off your balances each month. In addition to improving your credit score, you can earn cash in addition to travel rewards points simply by making everyday purchases. Avoiding debt, such as high-interest balances on their credit cards that are unaffordable to pay off, is crucial. Debts classified as bad can encompass high-interest obligations such as car loans or personal loans, resulting in significant monthly setbacks. If you want to know the best financial tips daily, then just press the subscribe button and also the like button. 3. Begin investing at an early stage. To achieve significant progress, consider investing in the stock market and leveraging the power of compounding interest. Begin by setting up an investment account with a diverse range of assets such as stocks, index funds, mutual funds, ETFs, and bonds. There are 2 methods to accomplish this. Firstly, by opening a brokerage account, you can pursue short-term and medium-term growth. However, you will be required to pay taxes on any gains on capital and dividend yields earned each year. Secondly, consider opening a retirement account such as a conventional IRA, Roth IRA, 401k, Roth 401k, Solo 401k, or SEP IRA if you work for yourself. Retirement plans offer the most effective means to optimize long-term tax benefits. Regardless of your age, it's crucial to begin investing in your financial future as soon as possible. Investing is not at all difficult. You may start by investing in government companies. If you want to know some best stocks, then just add a comment below, and with our research we will provide you with a list of some good stocks. 4. Utilize employer matches. Based on our data on millionaires, the majority of individuals with a net worth of 7 figures attribute their millionaire status to investing in a 401k through their workplace. It's crucial to fully utilize all resources on your journey to achieving millionaire status. One method is to utilize employer matches on your savings for retirement. Employers frequently match your contributions to your retirement savings strategy up to a specific percentage. By contributing enough to receive the full match, you have the opportunity to potentially double the amount you are saving for retirement. Understanding your employer's matching policy is crucial to maximizing your financial progress. Ensuring you contribute sufficiently to your retirement account to meet your employer's match can potentially accelerate your path to early retirement as a millionaire, reducing the number of years you need to work. 5. Reduce your costs. When considering a millionaire, one might imagine a luxurious lifestyle filled with yacht parties and extravagant celebrations. It's a fact that the majority of millionaires excel at being thrifty, and I'm no exception. Billionaire Warren Buffett is well known for choosing affordable vehicles. In order to achieve millionaire status, it is crucial to reduce unnecessary spending and steer clear of wasteful habits. This will allow you to channel your funds into high-return investments or towards kickstarting your own business. Consider canceling subscription services that are not being utilized, such as video streaming or food delivery. Living close to reliable public transportation? Think about giving up your car. By reducing your essential costs, you could potentially save $50 to $200 per month. Next, consider investing that money to increase your wealth as you work towards reaching 7 figures. To achieve millionaire status, it's essential to maximize the potential of every dollar through effective budgeting. Developing a budget is essential for optimizing savings and investments by minimizing unnecessary expenses. 6. Make savings a priority. Many wealthy individuals have ready access to cash at all times. That's because it has been accumulated. Consistently saving money doesn't require being a millionaire. Consider setting aside a portion of your income each month into high-yield savings accounts, HYSAs, and health savings accounts, HSAs, for potential medical expenses. One advantage that comes with establishing an emergency fund is the ability to handle unforeseen expenses that could lead others into financial trouble. It is advisable to maintain a reserve equivalent to 6 months' worth of expenses in your emergency fund. 7. Steer clear of lifestyle inflation. Falling victim to lifestyle inflation can easily derail your plans to achieve millionaire status. When your income rises, lifestyle inflation occurs as you start spending more. This situation may result in financial instability and hinder your progress towards achieving your long-term financial objectives. Consider a scenario where you receive a salary increase or take on an additional job with the sole purpose of purchasing a new vehicle or renting a more expensive apartment, even though it is not necessary. Creating and adhering to a budget is crucial in preventing lifestyle inflation. Focus on saving and investing, and avoid the temptation to constantly upgrade or purchase unnecessary items. Living frugally will help you accumulate wealth and reach financial success over time. That's all for today. Now you know all the steps to become a millionaire quickly. Press the subscribe button and also the like button if you loved watching this video and want to watch more amazing financial videos. Share this video in your friends group and also with your family members. In conclusion, I would like to tell you that these steps will only be beneficial if you can use them properly. If you could start doing these from now, then you could easily get rich. Investing is also very crucial if you want to get rich without doing anything. Sir Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Charlie Munger, Robert Kiyosaki, all are great investors. They invest in stocks, real estate, cryptocurrencies, gold, and other assets. Now, apart from investing, they also do some secret things which they never tell anybody. And this makes a difference. But don't worry. We have researched about it a lot and found out some things which rich people do that can make you rich too. If you want to know those secret things which rich people do, then click on video appearing on the left side and check it out. Thanks for watching.